Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the mental health program, that is NMHP. Mental health is an integral and essential component of health. World Health Organization defines the mental health as a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stressors of life, and can work productively and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. In this positive sense, mental health is the foundation for individual well-being and the effective functioning of the community. Globally, the mental health problems are rising and the burden of illness resulting from the psychiatric and behavioral disorders in is enormous. Burdens of the mental health problem, their international says the prevalence of mental disorders as per World Health Report is around 10%, and it is predicted that the burden of disorder is likely to increase to 15% by 2020. Depression alone accounts for 4.3% of the global burden of disease and is among the largest single causes of disability worldwide. The Director General World Health Organization launched the Mental Health Action Plan 2013 to 2020 on the 7th October 2013. The action plan recognizes the essential role of the mental health in achieving the health for all. It aims to achieve equity through universal health coverage and stresses the importance of the prevention in mental health. Indian scenario, lifetime prevalence of mental disorder in India is 12.3% for common mental disorders and 1.95% for the severe mental disorder. With such a magnitude of mental disorders, it becomes necessary to promote mental health services for the well-being of general population in addition to provide a treatment for mental illness. NMHS reported on and the overall treatment gap of 83% for the mental health problem. The treatment gap reported for common mental disorders 85% was higher when the compared to those for the severe mental disorders 73.6%. For substance use disorders, the NMHS reports a treatment gap of 90%. In today's class, I discuss about the Indian scenario for the burden of mental health problems and introduction for the NMHP, that is the National Mental Health Program. Thank you for watching.